In national news this morning, stocks on Wall Street plummeted yesterday on news of President Trump's massive tariff plans that will impact trading partners across the globe. We've also learned within the past hour that Beijing will respond by imposing a 34% tariff on imports from the U.S. starting next Thursday. The White House promises the move will pay off with more manufacturing jobs, but all of us are expected to see higher prices first. National correspondent Atra El-Nashar reports.
Let the trade war begin.
We will establish a minimum baseline tariff of 10%. We will charge them approximately half of what they are and have been charging us. We will impose a 25% tariff on all foreign-made automobiles.
China, hit with some of the highest levies, says it will take all necessary measures to protect its interests, including retaliatory tariffs if the White House doesn't reverse course. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney calls the Trump tariffs unjustified, unwarranted, and misguided.
The effects on the global economy will be monumental.
He's announcing Canada will match the U.S. with 25% tariffs on many American-made cars imported into Canada. This on top of previously announced retaliatory tariffs on other American products. Then there's the European Union, which says it's ready to work with the White House to solve unfair trade practices.
At the same time, we are prepared to respond. We are already finalizing the first package of countermeasures in response to tariffs on steel. And we're now preparing for further countermeasures.
The White House argues that countries they've just hit with tariffs have run out of time to negotiate and should not fight back with tariffs of their own.
No amount of the exploiters trying to swing harder at us after they've exploited us for all these years is going to change Donald Trump's view.
Back here at home, nerves are high. Consumers, business owners, people looking to retire soon are all watching prices and the stock market, wondering how the shockwaves of these tariffs will hit them personally. Now, the president and his team say there will be some disruption, but they don't say how long it will last.
The president has been very clear that the tariff is a tool in his toolkit to realign the American economy, to support and to allow all Americans to prosper.
The administration's also asking the public for some blind faith.
Let Donald Trump run the global economy.
In Washington, I'm Atra El-Nashar reporting.